Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark. Today we're gonna show Matt putting on this new Quadratop that he got. He got it from Quadratec. It's a top for his 2005 Jeep Wrangler. It's a partial top that covers the door area and then the back area here. That way he can keep his doors and top off for the summer and just throw this top on in case it's gonna rain. So we really don't know anything about the top, so first thing we're gonna do is open it up. And it looks like they actually have it the right direction.
It hooks around the hinge, I think, with this, but I have lights. And then they said on the internet you can't use it with the door surround for soft top when you have a soft top.
But do you have your door surrounds on, or do you...
Yeah, no, they're on, so I don't know if it's gonna affect you or not.
So the directions say the top is designed to work with the soft top off and the door surrounds off. It said no door surrounds. Matt likes to keep those on, so we're gonna just do it. You know, if it's gonna be a really crazy bad storm, he'd probably put the regular top back on in the doors. So yeah, it's pretty much just like the top that we got for the white Jeep. It has these plastic pieces that hook underneath here and they hold it in place. You have these straps which you can anchor to the body. This is kind of cool how the back is held on. It just sort of wraps around the light, which is neat. So this is actually cool. It has this clip here where it's designed to clip right under the body. It just kind of clips right there to the frame. You pull it tight and it holds it in place. So I see why they say it's probably best not to have the top on it. If you notice, the top's kind of all bunched up here in the back, and part of the frame of the Jeep from the top, the original top, is kind of pushing here. That's some plastic, but it does work. Not sure if that's possible to like reposition that. We're gonna check it out and see if we can reposition it so it's not quite so sharp into the top. But overall, it's pretty much done. One other issue, when Matt bought this Jeep, it came with some aftermarket lights here, is it has, the top has a little bungee that's supposed to wrap around this like it does on the back, but because of the lights, he's not able to do that. Honestly, I don't think the front makes a big difference. That's so tight, it's not gonna get pulled or go anywhere. So it's done. It's a nice top to have when you wanna run around mostly with your doors off and the soft top down. That way, if it's gonna rain, you know, an afternoon thunderstorm in the summer, or it's later in the season and you might have dew on the ground and it's gonna get on your seats and stuff, it's just a good way to keep the interior dry. I think the way it's on, it'll hold up really well to most weather. I'm not sure the exact price, but I think it was around $50 for this top. So if you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer any we can. Again, it's called the Quadratec Quadratop, and we got it from Quadratec.com. Thanks so much and have a great day, and thanks for watching.